Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So we are back at Walgreens and this is your preview for the week of October the 20th to the 26th. We have dollar shampoo, $1.99 Arm & Hammer, 50-cent Colgate. Buckle up. This is a really great week. If you could do me a huge kindness and give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, really would help me out greatly. Let's get right into this. So first off, there's lots of candy, 2 for $7, $5.99, and we're also going to have a really good coupon code that when you spend, I think like 20 or 25, you get an extra 20% off. So we'll have to investigate that one on Monday. Now, just to let you guys know from this end, I have not seen a booster. What is a booster? Something like, spend 25, get back 5, the digital ones. Haven't seen a single one. They might show up on Saturday. We do not know. But just to let you know, I haven't seen one. The full ad, along with all of the digital coupons, will be published in the Walgreens app on Sunday the 20th. So this again is just a preview, and all of the coupons will be published on that specific date. Now, I made a video on Thursday, just like a midweek haul, and some of the larger Tide Pods and the larger Tide liquid at $15.99. That magical $5 register reward is still in fact rolling. And I'm going to let you know that that register reward has an end date of October the 19th, which is Saturday. So moving into the next couple weeks, this will not be a thing anymore. And as you can see, this one that I earned on Wednesday, it has a very quick expiry date of Saturday. So check yours, go back into the store and buy something different, because you know what? You don't want these to expire, because that is like $5 out the door. And I've done that before, and man, that really hurts when you mess up like that. But I would definitely try and utilize this in another deal. I'm going to link my video at the very end if you want to watch some inspirational deals. But yeah, I would get on this right away. Okay, first deal we're going to look at for the week of the 20th is the Garnier Whole Blends shampoo. Are we going to get that 3 off of 2 for the Whole Blends and the Fructis, or is it going to be a combined digital coupon, that 3 off of 2? Well, grabbing 2 of these shampoos, it's $8. Subtracting your digital coupon, you'll pay $5. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $2 for the 2 or $1 per Garnier. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. And the question is, are we going to get 2 3 off of 2 digitals for both the Whole Blends and the Fructis? Well, we'll have to wait till Sunday and see what they do. And if it's a combined coupon like they've done in the past, we also have to be mindful of that. You'll have to either get the Whole Blends or the Fructis. Next deal that we're looking at is the Colgate. We'll have to grab a paste and a brush at $4.50 a pop. The $2 digital coupons that were loadable the previous week, I don't think they expire till the 26th, so that's probably a 2-week deal. I'm not sure if they'll reset the coupons, but if you didn't do the deal, grabbing 1 paste and 1 brush at $4.50 a pop, that's $9. Subtracting 2 $2 digital coupons, that's $4 off. You'll pay $5. Get back a $4 register reward, making it $1 for the 2 or 50 cents per dental care product. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. And 50 cents for these dental care products is definitely a stock up price in this girl's book. Now with the Scott, this $1.25 Walgreens coupon is valid till November the 2nd. If you look on the left-hand side at the bottom. So that's still valid, the top one. And yes, you can reload it through the app. Just go back into the coupons folder for the item that it is. So you'd go in household. It should be itemized at the top. And that 3 off of 2 manufacturer is valid till the 26th if you didn't use it the previous week. You can't reload the 3 off of 2 digital. It's a one-time use because it's a manufactured coupon. Okay, so looking at the Scott, grabbing 2 of them at $5 a pop, that's $10. You can get 2 toilet papers or a mix and match of toilet paper and paper towel. Okay, subtracting your Walgreens coupon, $1.25 times 2, that's $2.50 off. Along with the 3 off 2 digital, you're paying $4.50 for the 2 or $2.25 per paper product. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Many of us really have paper product on the mind. I would definitely stock up for this price point. It's a great deal. Now we're looking at the Dove body wash at $7. We have a 4 off 2 digital coupon that's showing up on Sunday. $3 reward when you buy 2. Grabbing 2 of these Dove body washes for $14. Subtracting your digital coupon, you'll pay $10. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $7 for the 2 or $3.50 per body wash. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. If you really look at the math, you're basically getting this buy one, get one free. If you love the Dove line, I mean, by all means, stock up. I love their sensitive free one. It is absolutely fantastic. Now the Ollie vitamins, it says $3 off with my Walgreens. How is that going to show up? I still don't know. Grabbing 2 of these at $15.99 a pop, that's $31.98. Subtracting, I guess, $6 in Walgreens coupons. I can't find the Walgreens coupon, but maybe something's going to populate. You would pay $25.98, get back a $5 store register reward. It's different than a regular register reward. It's a store one. So it is okay to use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance to earn that register reward. Yes, this is a little bit out of pocket, but if you like the Ollie vitamins, I don't think this is the worst deal. And we're going to have to wait and see what that $3 coupon is all about. And will IBOTTA have a rebate as well, or another app have a rebate for this? It possibly could be a better deal. I prefer gummy vitamins myself. I don't like those big horse pills. So there is some value to this. For all the parents or grandparents out there, or if you're stocking up on diapers, this is not a bad one. 2 for $21 for the Pampers, and we're going to have a 3 off 2 digital. So grabbing 2 of these, subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $18. Get back a $4 register reward, making it $14 for the 2 or $7 per bag. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. I'm still waiting. Maybe Saturday we'll get a booster, or maybe it'll show up on Sunday morning. I don't know. Or maybe they'll give us something even better next week. Sometimes they do this, sometimes in October. So we'll have to wait and see how this shakes out. But I would really like a booster. But we'll have to wait and see. Arm & Hammer, buy one, get 2 for free. And we have $1.50 off a 3 digital coupon. Grabbing 3 of these products, you'll pay $7.49. I know that some products are $8.99, but the cheaper detergent is $7.49. Subtracting your digital coupon, you'll pay $5.99 for the 3 or $1.99 per laundry care product. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Okay, let's talk about some quick honorable mentions, friends. The first that we have is the Axe body spray deodorant. Look at that digital coupon, $7.50 off of 2. That is like music and a symphony to these ears. Load it. At the very least, load that digital coupon. And then we have the spend $50, get back a $15 reward on Crest. And then we have a $10 digital. That's definitely one that we're going to look at for a curbside pickup because I want to see how that shakes out mathematically. And BOGO 50% off and earn $10 Walgreens cash reward when you spend $20. Another one that we might have to look at for curbside pickup. That might be interesting. It might not be, but we'll have to check it out. The Olay, lots of this is on clearance still up here where I live. And we have a 10 off the 2. I mean, if you can find some cheaper Olays that are a little bit more on the expensive side and, on clearance for $5 or $6, use this digital coupon and you can make some magic happen. Always look and ask for price checks. And 3 for $13.99 on the Canada Dry Dr. Pepper. If that is your thing, definitely stock up. And the final one, we have the Pop-Tarts BOGO free. Lots of food, very inexpensive to buy it at Walgreens with register rewards or Walgreens cash, throwing it into the mix. So you're not paying such hefty prices out of pocket. That's it for this video, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.